Clicky, Tactile, linear keyboard switches. If you're just getting into mechanical keyboards, here are some tips to help you decide. You may want a clicky switch if you like have typewriter sound and are okay with potentially bothering those around you with a loud keyboard. These are the Arctic Fox Clickies. A tactile switch is similar to a clicky switch in terms of feel because they also have a bump when you press them, but instead of making a clicky noise, they tend to sound more similar to these salmon tactiles. Linear switches tend to be quieter than tactile switches, and they don't have a tactile bump, meaning it's a smooth press from top to bottom. I recommend linear switches for people who type all day because they are less demanding on your fingers. These are the Husky linears. Let me know which switch type is your favorite.